Let's get ready to go fishing. In the blue corner weighing in with 5 poles and 1 fish, we have the unofficial brand catching champion, Big Kahuna. Caught an old warmouth on this Joe's fly. Sick fish caught this morning. Was supposed to be in a brim tournament this morning, but I got down here kind of late, so I'm just fishing for fun on the Lumber River. Tried some popping bugs out a little bit earlier. I was getting some hits, but it just wasn't committing all the way to it. I like the Joe's fly, the thing to do right now. I got a Joe's fly I'm trying out right now. Gold blade, brown and black. Oh yeah, just caught me one old popping bug. No lid on the popping bug. Changed up colors on this popping bug. Still catching small ones, but I'm catching them. Oh, just had a miss. Oh, missed out. Out here in the little old Caiman, one-man creek boat. Throw me some popping bugs and some spinners. I ain't done too good today, but I'm out here on the water and I'm trying to catch a little bit of fish. I don't know if y'all familiar with the Caiman boats, made in South Carolina. Pretty nice. I bought this one used. Hey, it does the job. Big Kahuna Outdoors. We're gonna see if we can catch a couple more before I go. We come upstream from the Boardman boat ramp. I don't know how far I'm up. I was gonna bring the GPS, but I'll check on my phone and I'll see how far I can. I put in where that yellow line's at. I measured it last night. I'm thinking it's about 1.5 miles. About going up here in this area, checking this out. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, finally got one. Got a little bit of action going on now. Find out got a midday bite going on here. A warm off. No more now. Got a leading.